This is Sari with Starkweather Association Services. How much time do you spend looking up the same records over and over in YM? If you've ever thought, what filters did I use last time? Or how did I find this last week? You're not alone. One of the easiest ways to build confidence in YM is by using saved searches. Instead of rebuilding the same search every time you need information, you can save it once and access it whenever you need it. Let me show you a few examples. Let's start on the back end of the site at the directory search. Maybe every month you need a list of members whose membership expires next month. Instead of searching the same filters every time, build the search once, verify the results, and save it with a name like members expiring next month. Now, whenever you need that information, it's just a couple of clicks away. No guessing, no rebuilding the search. Let's take a look. Here we'll scroll down to the membership. We will go ahead and say date membership expires and say next month. Scroll to the bottom and hit search. Once you have your search results, to save it, you simply go to the results options, go down to save query. Now, if we start a new search, you go into the save queries, you will see members expiring next month. Click that and it's automatically going to run it for you. Now let's look at some processing. Perhaps your team regularly checks for open dues invoices. Create the search using the criteria you need, save it, and give it a clear name like open dues invoices. Then the next time someone needs that information, they don't have to remember which filters to apply. They simply run that save search. Let's take a peek. And then right here, you can click on Save This Query. On this again, you would just go down here to save queries and click on Open Invoices, and that's automatically going to do it. On this same tab here, let's show one final example. Let's say you frequently review purchases from a specific product or product category. Create the search once, save it, and then make it available whenever your team needs it. This is especially helpful when multiple staff members need the same information. Everyone's going to get consistent results without relying on memory of trial and error. So here, let's go to store processing. And here you can either pick a particular product or product category and click search, just like we just did. As soon as you get your results, just like before, click on Save This Query. Saved searches may seem like a small feature, but they can make a big difference in your day-to-day work. They reduce clicks, they help you find information faster, and they remove the stress of trying to remember how you found a list last week. The more you use tools like Save Searches, the more YM starts working for you instead of feeling like a database you have to navigate. What search or list does your team look up most often in YM? Share it in the comments. It might inspire us to create a future tip. Thanks so much and have a great day.